How to set custom ringtone in Samsung S25 Plus. Let's start the video. First of all, open Settings app and go down, select Sounds and Vibration, and from here you can see ringtone. Tap on this and from here you can see different ringtone. So you can select any ringtone which you want to choose. So we select this, and if you want to select ringtone for gallery, then tap on plus icon and you can see folder. Tap on this and from here you can select ringtone in folder and go back, and from here you can increase or decrease ringtone volume. By applying this method you can easily set custom ringtone in Samsung S25 Plus. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.